All right, today we're going to bring a lantern. This is for your high ceilings. It could be for your main entrances or your living room or your kitchen. Now, like I said, they give you a high extra ribbon, all right, extra cable. Now, the LED light is built in the glass. Beautiful, elegant glass, if you guys can see that, all around. Nickel plated. So we're going to put this together. Look at this. And it also shines straight in the bottom. I forgot to mention that. Straight to the bottom and all around it. So no light bulb needed. It's all included here. Into the glass, they give you the actual screws, the instructions. And all you got to do is ground, hot, and neutral. That's pretty much it. Look how bright this thing is. I'm gonna stand back so you guys can see a little bit further. Beautiful light. All right, so let's take a look at the actual light itself. LED light is built in. It does have a light underneath of it, if you guys can see that. So there is a spotlight. And this has a long street, but as you can see, I shorted it out here so I can fit it in my walls. But this is made for high ceilings. But like you see it right now, I had it on short ceilings too. So beautiful, elegant light. Well details. Great for your studio, your apartment, your kitchen, your entrances. Now this is going to give a beautiful ambiance to your area. You have a designer and you want to set these lights up, these are perfect. Look at this. Gives you a nice little shine here. I'm going to show you the ground too. Don't mind my mess on the floor, but look at this. How bright it is. Alright, so if you guys are looking for a beautiful, elegant light, look no further. Take a look at this. LED light is really bright. Real glass all around it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.